It was breath in the air as we walked to morning lectures. A marching horde of woolly hats and scarves. Diwrnod ola tymor cyntaf, ffrindiau newydd wrth ein ochr, the type to never do anything by halves. We've spent the last month living in Wonderland, or at least one night, falling over on the ice. Dim ots, pick each other up, cwpan cynnes or rhywbeth neis. Detour by the castle, just to look at the lights. Long winter nights. Steaming food from the alley. Dylsyn ni fod wedi wisgo cot. Oh well, warm up on the walk back to Tally. Were you there when it snowed? And the whole of Cardiff looked new. Am bum munud. Snowball fight at Main. Oh, ac mae'r slush, esgid wlyb, soaked through. Can't believe we've only been mates since half-past September. But now it's off home, and we'll stay here. Either way, tearful cheerios. Well, ti cyn hir. Same again next year.